Jack. Nice, 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 nice. Check it out, guys. You got it. Fish on, nice, Jack. Awesome catch. Well, at least you caught dinner. Here, guys. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Got a little small snapper on. But got another snapper Jamaican shore fishing. Look at that. Got you. Fishing on again. Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. And guess who's out with me, guys? We got Chris here that's out with me today. And Chris is here. He's going to give his new rod real try today. For the first time, he's going to be using his own fishing rod today, guys. We got our drop line setups here. We got the bait box set up and loaded. And as you guys see, I got a new pair of shades on. Big up to Windstone Chronicles. Windstone, thank you for the glasses, my brother. Awesome, awesome. These are actually cameras, guys. So I'll be out catching first person view on these cameras. Video recording in 4K all the way, ready to go, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We do some drop line fishing today. Me and Chris is out. As you can see, we have all the gears out. And we have another subscriber that's out there sitting in the car dropping line too, guys. So check him out. And we're going to be out and see what we can hook up on. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Shore fishing. We're out here. Me and Chris got his line set. He said he got a few hits already. And I'm getting hit. You feel nothing, Chris? Did you get nothing yet? Tension on the fresh line. The Pen 6000 is on here now again, guys. So let's see if that's going to be my lucky setup today. That's going to catch me my first pickup. Chris, don't keep on moving that line unless necessary. Yeah, Chris got his new fishing rod out, guys. So we out doing some drop line fishing, not lure fishing today. With bait. We're getting hit, we're getting picks. But no solid hit yet, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. Sure you don't want to stick this one out there? Or you good? You don't feel... You felt them hit it hard?
Really hard, yeah.
And you feel them still hitting it?
You want wheeling it for me?
No, I'm just asking you if they're still hitting it. That means the baits...
Probably can get bait.
You have two baits on it, so don't rush to move the line right away. That's why I use two hooks. So two hook system. That means once they get one bait, and I feel that, I give it like 10 minutes or so, and I wait patiently because they might not have gotten to all the bait. Because we have 4 lines set in the water, and it's a long straight line of bait down the line, you know. Plus Pari's 2, that's 6. So just remember, there's a lot of bait in the area, so the fish is gonna come and they're gonna gather. Once they see and feel and smell that much bait in the area, they're gonna all come out. I'm watching that squid on the line. The squid is a little bit harder to come off. That's what I used it. The shrimp is easy to come off versus the squid. So what I normally do, like I'm sitting here like this, I just peel off some bait while I'm waiting and just get ready. That's why I chose this spot, you know, because I'm like, all right, this is at least closer to the car. One. A snapper, guys. A small little snapper. That's why I love using circle hooks. Because this guy is small though, Chris. Do I? Yeah, Chris caught a snapper a while ago, guys, and we put it back because it was too small. He wanted to keep it, but we're not keeping it. I hope he ain't vexed with me. Yeah, I know, but yo, that's a baby, bro. We're gonna throw that back. That's not even ready to get. That not haven't even had babies for itself yet. You're mad, man. We got fishing rod, bro. We're getting out. I know, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna check this line because this line was getting hit as soon as it landed. What that? Yeah. No, man, some damn fish fly or something. Bait's still up on it, bro. Huh? Shrimp. Bait's still on it, eh? Sure fishing, we're getting hit. Rod 1 or rod 3? Which one's gonna be the magic rod today, guys? That's gonna catch our first fish. Hit it. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Sunset fishing. Montego Bay, Jamaica. Me and Chris is at it. Chris beat me and nailed me already. You got one fish, I ain't got nothing. Oh, fish on. Fish on. That's it. That's it, bro. Lock him in. Lock him in. Get him in. We got a fish on. Set your hook now, man. Alright, keep tension. Keep your tension. Keep your tension. In big. You got something on. Keep tension. Now lose tension, now, bro. Yeah, fish on, guys. I'm watching my lines too. What you got? Whoa, yeah, Jack. Nice. Check it out, guys. You got it. Fish on, nice, Jack. Awesome catch. Well, at least you caught dinner.
Yeah, actually 2 of them now.
Yeah, that's it, 2.
Yeah.
All right, that's it, guys. So we out with subscribers today, guys. Subscriber 1 and 2. Chris is here. Chris got one. He got one so far. TJ ain't got none yet. That's what's going on, guys. Yeah. So that's a nice size fish now, Chris. When you're talking to me about a fish, yeah, that's a decent size fish to go home with. Keep tension on that line, Chris. Don't let it belly. That's how you know when something bite, when you have that rod in your hand. You have to keep the tension. You know, when you keep tension on a card, yeah, if you feel anything touchy. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. So that's what's up. You're getting hit. They're annoying, these flies. I have to put these glasses up in a second. Sun ain't gone down yet, man. It's still daylight out. Still have a bright day out. So we're using squid and a shrimp today. Shrimp and squid. So that's what me and Chris is using today, guys. Type bait that we're using out. Doing some drop lining. He got his 8-footer. I got my 10-footer, 8-footer, and my 7-footer rod out. I'm running a 30-pound line. I think Chris is running something like 12 pounds. So, we're trying to see what... Huh? That's it. 2 lovely jacks. Look at that, guys. And get himself 2 jacks. You see it? Yeah. Catch himself dinner tonight. That is it, man. Yeah, guys. So we out doing night fishing, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. And these damn sea flies or whatever the hell they are is bothering the hell out of me right now. And I don't know why they flying around my face or my head. Even I don't even know. I think they're trying to bite me, but you know, I think it's batless or something like that. So let's see what's up. Damn it! It's like every time I move. So it's like they in that spot. They're not where I'm at right now, you know. They needed somebody to bother. Just don't bother me. Yeah, guys. So The knock? They're not good enough yet, man. When they knock,
One knock me get from your throat.
when snapper grab your line, man. Tell them when snapper grab your line, how you go on now. Go on, shut up, you know. Here, guys. Woo!
No, I don't know now, man.
And I squid you grabbing now.
No, I don't know now, man. The whole line nearly done.
See that? You see that a while ago? I'm trying to tell you to press the camera, bro. You're not even moving to it, dog. You're no dog. Big snapper that now, bro.
Yeah, man.
Slow him down, you know.
The hungry wheel, man.
Yo, I swivel him, boss, you know.
Yeah,
And I lead a line, you know, guys.
yeah. Straight time.
Yo, guys, he busted my swivel. Look at this. The swivel. Woo! Yo, guys, right now my adrenaline in my heart right now is like, that was a monster, bro. Yo, he busted my tie on my knot. He pulled my knot out, bro. That knot couldn't hold the fish. Holy smokes, guys. I had like the only run a while ago. Right now my hands are shaking right now. Look at this. Ooh.
Big one, that, you know.
That was a big fish, bro. That was a big fish. That was over 10 pounds. That was way over 10 pounds. I've never felt nothing like that yet in my life, bro.
You know, so the line a wheel out fast.
Yo, he almost took off 300 and something yards of line off of this. Quick, quick, quick.
Rod all
Damn. We couldn't even get the rod out. I stunned one at a time.
Man, we used to say. Jerry, that big fit, that, you know.
Yo, bro, my hands are shaking right now. That was a big snapper. He's going with my hook, weight, everything. Look, he took the whole rig. Pass me another rig, bro.
What's up?
This is why I'm telling you that we tie up extra rigs. He couldn't bust a 30-pound line. Bro, you better hold on to that rod after you see what just happened to me a while ago. Yeah, guys. You know what I said a monster there? Monster nearly spool off every line off of my reel look while. I mean, I have 300 odd yard of line. I'm saying take off, bend up the rod look while, brother. Mr. Brother, look at my hand my shake. Bombard. Me never feel nothing like that in my life. Brother, that was a monster. That was over 10 pounds. Me sure that's over 10 pounds.
What I mean? Let me see how that rod level.
Yo, take off like, yo, you hear the reel?
Slam, you know, man.
Blood bleed. Yo, bro, that's why my camera not turn off again. This camera ain't turning off again, guys. I can't afford this to happen to me again. Brother, where the pack up? After you see that they run you pack up? Me blows and skirt. Brother, I'm glad to say you're there and see it, you know. I said, bro, I become I try to press the camera, make him get so much line, you know. And when me go so now and start slowing up, guess what come? I tie come loose round the swivel, you know. The barrel swivel come back, you know. So the only thing you get the lead and the two hook and the weight, you know. And that thing gone with, you know. So I want one that hook in him, you know, one 4X hook, you know, man. He can't bend that, you know. Brother, the tie start come loose when he start run because what happened is the drag, I tighten up drag on him, you know. When I tighten up my drag on him, me still I run still, I watch the line. I see line, I good on. I didn't want to reach till at least 50 yards and then he just goes and spool me. You mad? Sure fishing, we're getting hit again. I don't know if you guys can see this, but lines are getting hit. And I'm hearing it. But that's what happened last time. I was away for a while. I came back and that line just bent over, guys, and just took off. I have no idea. That fish had me going. So now I'm kind of preparing myself in advance now, just in case another one grabs on, and just ready for that pickup. Chris, is that you making that noise? That's you wiggling that thing around, or is that fish hitting your line, bro? You're not paying attention to your line, you know, Chris? Chris, you're not paying attention to your line, you know? Because if a fish hits your line, last time you caught a fish and there was no, you didn't even know the fish was on there. No, the fish is gonna be wiggling and shaking and running and trying to get away. That's what you know when there's a fish on it. He's gonna be constantly trying to get away. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. We got a little small snapper on, but he looked like he got gut hooked with this damn thingy. It's gonna be hard to get this hook out. Shit, man. I'm trying to save your life, buddy. But he went and grabbed. Hold this. He went and grabbed too far. So I gotta get my hefty pliers here. Oh shit. I'm trying to bite. At the same time, I'm trying to get this hook out of his mouth. Oh, good. Got it out. I can save his life, Chris.
Yeah.
Jamaican shore fishing. Conservation. Saving a life. Yeah, he's going.
I'm gone.
Yep. He's trying. I don't think he made it. But I don't think he made it.
I won't go far down in a moment.
Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Shore fishing, we about to pack it up. About to pack it up in a minute after that run. And we caught 2 snappers, but we put them back. They were too small. And Chris launched his line into the rocks way down there someplace. I don't know where he disappeared to, but stay tuned for the next epic adventure, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, guys. All right? Definitely smash that thumbs up. And stay tuned for the next epic hookup, the next epic video. And I hope you enjoyed that last video I posted, guys. All right? Bless up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Here, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We got a fish on. Shore fishing, we got a glass nose. Got ourselves a glass nose tonight. Check it out, fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Glass nose. No. Glass nose. Come on. No, it's a glass nose. See it? They call them a catfish. Gotta get this out of the video. Jamaican shore fishing. Got ourselves a glass nose, see? That's why they call them glass nose, because their nose look like glass, see it? So, glass nose fish. It's alright, throw them in the cooler.
Shine low. The first that's one they want to do.
Yeah, alright.
When it's alright, don't power alright, that's a hitch.
Beat up your line, bro.
Come on, the beat up.
Bro, watch me. Watch what I'm
Go
doing.
near.
Look, watch. See?
I'll post it on Jerry. Go near the water.
Alright, fish on, guys. Fish on again. Jamaican shore fishing. This is what's up, guys. This is how we do it. We don't play.
Next one, snook.
Snapper.
Got another snapper, Jamaican shore fishing. Look at that. Got you.
Snapper.
What happened, Chris? When I get heat up,
See it, man.
bait the line up properly, bro. Bait the line up and stop playing, Chris.
They're out here working. Alright, okay. Go get this.
Watch this. Going back out again. Jamaica shore fishing. We are out here. Trying to finish up this bait on the board. Once we finish, ooh, getting hit again. Another hit again. Guys, we're doing it tonight. That's what's up. All right, Jamaican shore fishing. That is it. That is it for the night. It is now 10 p.m. We're gonna go home. Got work in the morning and other things to do. All right, guys. So stay tuned for the next epic video, guys. Next epic hookup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed that adrenaline rush off that hookup and got away. Nothing I could do about that. But next time we know. All right. So stay tuned for the next epic video, Jamaican shore fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that thumbs up. All right, guys. One love. We out.